Hi students, in this video let us watch chapter 1 Relations and Functions exercise 1.4 first 3 sums. Subscribe my channel. Before entering into exercise sums, let us see vertical line test. A curve drawn in a graph represents a function if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. Let us see an example. This is a graph. The red color line denotes the curve. We draw a vertical line. This vertical line intersects the curve at 2 points P and Q. In definition, it is said that if it intersects the curve at most one point, then it represents a function. Now, the vertical line intersects the curve at 2 points. So, it is not a function. Now, let us see exercise 1.4. First sum. Determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason for your answers concerning each graph. First subdivision. The red color line denotes the curve. Draw a vertical line and allow the vertical line to pass through the curve. It intersects the curve at 2 points, say P and Q. We can write the letters as A and B also. Now I am writing as P and Q. By vertical line test, as the vertical line intersects the curve at 2 points P and Q, we can say that this is not a function. If the vertical line intersects the curve at 1 point only, we can say that it is a function. Second subdivision. Draw a vertical line and allow the vertical line to pass through the curve. Throughout the curve, the vertical line intersects the curve at only 1 point, at most 1 point. So, by vertical line test, the vertical line intersects the curve at only 1 point. So, we can say that this is a function. Now, let us see the third subdivision. The curve is given in S shape. Draw a vertical line and pass the vertical line throughout the curve. Now, we can see that the vertical line intersects the curve at 3 points P, Q and R. So, we can say that by vertical line test, as the vertical line intersects the curve at 3 points P, Q and R, this is not a function. Fourth subdivision. Draw a vertical line and pass the vertical line throughout the curve. It intersects the curve at most only 1 point. So, we can say that by vertical line test, as the vertical line intersects the curve at only 1 point, this is a function. Second sum. Let f from a to b be a function defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, b equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Represent f by set of ordered pairs, a table, an arrow diagram, a graph. The formula is given as f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. The domain is given as 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Substitute for x. F of 2 equal to 2 by 2 minus 1, f of 4 equal to 4 by 2 minus 1, f of 6 equal to 6 by 2 minus 1, f of 10 equal to 10 by 2 minus 1, f of 12 equal to 12 by 2 minus 1. In the first line, 2 by 2 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, 4 by 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 by 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 10 by 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, 12 by 2 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. Now for each value, we got the answers. Now we can represent f. First subdivision, set of ordered pairs. For each value in domain, we got different answers. When we substitute 2, the answer is 0. When we substitute 4, the answer is 1. For 6, the value is 2. And for 10, we got the value as 4. And for 12, the answer is 5. We can write in set form f equal to set 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4 and 12, 5. Second subdivision, a table. We can draw a table. The question is x and the answer is f of x. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. The domain is the question. And for 2, 0, for 4, 1, for 6, 2, for 10, 4 and for 12, the answer is 5. So when we represent a table, this is easy. The third subdivision, we can represent f by an arrow diagram. Let us draw two sets A and B. The value of A and B is given 2, 4, 6, 10, 12 in A and 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9 in B. Let us draw arrows 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. The function is f. We want to write the number 9 also in the set B. Don't leave it. Fourth subdivision, a graph. Draw xy axis. In the x-axis, we want to write the set A. The number from 0 to 12. In y-axis, we can write numbers from 0 to 5. Plotting the points 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. Just plotting the points is enough for the graph. Third sum, represent the function f equal to set 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4 through an arrow diagram, a table form and a graph. In this sum, the function f is defined as a set of ordered pairs. We can easily draw an arrow diagram. In the given function f, in each bracket, the first numbers are in A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the second numbers 2, 2, 2. For 3, 2 we can write 1, 2 and 3 and 4 in the second set B. Now we can draw arrow diagram. It is given in the set of ordered pairs as 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. The function is given as f. Second subdivision, a table form. A table is drawn. The question is x and the answer is f of x. In x, we can write the set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F of x denotes the answers for each numbers 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3 and 5, 4. Third subdivision, a graph. X-axis and y-axis are drawn. In x-axis, domain and y-axis, the range. So in x-axis, we can write the set A, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and in y till 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can plot the points 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. Just plotting the points is enough for this. Thank you, students.